Personally, I've gone through a lot of embarrassing moments because of my dark underarms. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Gigi.
And my name is Tony.
And we're the Budget Queens, giving you skincare tips, lifestyle tips on a budget to look good,
feel good
on a budget.
And today, we have something really exciting for you. You know, for those that are dealing with this specific issue. Trust me, you're gonna want to stay to the end of this video, because by the end of this video we're going to be telling you how to get rid of dark underarms using natural products that we can buy for cheap, which is
turmeric, salt, lemon, and honey.
And trust me, by the time you watch this video through to the end, you're gonna say bye bye to those nasty, annoying dark underarms. With no further ado, let's go straight into the video.
So basically, I personally have gone through a lot of embarrassing moments because of my dark underarms. And basically I realized that it was because of the deodorant I used. They really actually contribute to making your underarms darker. Yeah, they really do. And heat, you need something that would not give you any discoloration, something lemony. So basically I started doing this thing. I think that was because I went to the supermarket and I went to the cream section and I was asking her, like, what do you recommend for me to use for my dark underarms? And then she looked at me and she was like, you really want to buy cream? I'm like, is that not faster? And she was like, no, turmeric, salt. She said salt too. Turmeric, salt, and lemon. I was like, okay, I've been doing that and I'm not seeing any fast results. And then she was like, you're not being consistent about it. I was like, okay. And you were not adding salt. So basically what she told me was raw turmeric, like no added fragrances whatsoever, nothing of that sort. Raw turmeric, you slice your lemon, you put salt, raw virgin salt. Okay, basically it could be used sea salt. Basically I used basic salt. You use salt first on the lemon slice and then you pour your turmeric and then you apply it. You scrub your underarm and leave it for 15 minutes. You guys, I cap you not. But after that, I will show you my underarm.
So I saw it recently. I was like, damn, like it was like magic.
And I was like consistent about it. And I also changed my deodorants. I got a lemon based. She got it for me anyways. I ain't gonna lie about that. Yeah, she did that. So yeah, and it really worked. And I was so surprised. Like, so what was I doing since? You guys haven't tried aloe vera. Yes, aloe vera helps with the moisturizing part. Just keeps you hydrated so it doesn't get dry and then ashy and all of that. But yeah, so like turmeric, salt, lemons, you apply it for 1 week straight on your other arms before you bath. It's going to change your life, because I feel more confident about opening my underarms.
And how long does this stay before you wash it off?
15 minutes basically. 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Like, and I smelled really nice. Like, it took away the odor. Like, because the next day I did not even use my deodorant and I still I was not smelling. Yeah, so it was a game changer for me basically. And I have not done it ever since. I do it every day and I will till I see my desired results. And you should too if you're suffering from this.
So you can see we're giving you value. So just for the sake of people watching this video that I really want to start working on this right now, we're going to go over the steps again. Step 1, step 2, step 3, so that you know exactly how to use this. And trust us, if you start using this, your problems are over.
C'est fini.
Yeah. So Gigi, will you do the honors?
First off, you have to slice your lemon. You need a lemon slice, and then you use salt. You need to cover the surface of the lemon with the salt. Remove the excess, and then do the same with your turmeric and remove the excess, and then scrub. When I say scrub, no messy. You scrub. Like, you need to focus on the dark areas and you scrub it. do the same to your other side, and you do it for 15 minutes. Use your timer or whatever you want to, but it should be 15 minutes, and then you rinse it off. Then you have your bath. And do it for 1 week straight, and you would come back to this video and testify, because I did it worked for me, and it will work for you as well. And
don't forget to moisturize the area after you've had your bath.
Aloe vera.
Preferably use aloe vera. So that would basically work.
And make sure you get a lemon based or a deodorant that will not actually give you any ashy hyperpigmentation, because you really don't need that, baby girl.
Exactly. Okay, and for the honey part, because we know that we didn't really talk about the honey part. The honey part is you can still add the honey in with that, and the honey is supposed to add like a soothing effect. So when you're
just lick the honey,
which one is just lick the honey? Use the honey there. Trust me, it's going to really help, you know, speed up the whole process and soothe it, because the turmeric, salt, and lemon can be harsh. So you need something soft that will just, you know,
honey or aloe vera.
Honey or aloe vera. So when you're done with that, put the honey on top and then wait for 15 minutes. Yes, this is the Budget Queens edition.
Type. So yeah, you guys don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Tell us what you want to see next in our next video. And with that, Budget Queens out.